Hey Tom, isn't it a breath of fresh air to be out here away from the hustle and bustle?
Absolutely, Sarah. It's like a whole different world. Look at those apples over there. They're as red as roses.
Oh, let's check out the honey stand. They say it's the bee's knees.
Sure, lead the way.
Could we try the clover honey, please?
Of course. Here you go.
That's sweet success in a jar.
We'll take a jar, Jim. Oh, and what's that sound?
That's our fresh apple cider. Want a sample?
When in Rome, ha ha ha.
Delicious! How much for the cider?
It's $5 a bottle, and today we have a special. Buy two, get one free.
We can't pass up that offer. We'll take 3.
Thanks, Jim. Sarah, look at the time. We better hit the road if we don't want to be late for dinner.
You're right. Time flies when you're having fun.